Hey there, and welcome to another video with Ulrich. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product and a bomb to your sales funnel. So let's go. In order to do that, you need to come here. You need to first of all select your sales funnel you want to add your product on, and then come here to add new step. On a new step, you need to click on, you need to name your funnel. I'll name mine sales funnel and click on create funnel. So I have now named my funnels, right? I need to arrange it here. You can always move it up and down because the sales funnel with the order form always come before the thank you page. So that's why I'm arranging it. So you now need to come to sales and click on order form. And on order form on this specific page, as you can see, there's so many templates, right? I'll select this specific template. This one, I love this template. However, you can choose any other templates. So here, as you can see, here we are. We now have our sales funnel. We now have our order form, sorry. And now you need to add product now. Click on products. On product, forget about this message that you see here on the right hand side. It's just I've sent a message to Clickfunnels just to authenticate my SSL. So, and you don't need to, that message has nothing to do with this tutorial. So click on add product. And on add product, the first thing or the very first thing you need to do is to integrate your payment system. There are so many systems out there, payment systems such as PayPal, Stripe, Braintree, there's so many, you name it. So you have to integrate your payment system. It's very simple. You just need to register with the payment company you want to use as a payment system. And the second step will be to basically add the payment integration system. So once you do that, you need to click. So you can come here and move on, right? You can save and next, right? But do not come here straight away and save and next. It sounds very funny and insignificant. However, you have to click on your payment integration system logo. Otherwise, it's not going to open over tab, right? So once I've clicked on it, all the tabs have opened and I need to click on save and next. And now that is a 7x, I'm on the product page now. I need to name my product. So I'll name my product Google AdWords. It automatically populates because I've had this product in the past. So you may need to tap everything manually because you've never used this page before. So my product will be $387. The currency will be US dollar currency because that's the currency I want to use. However, you can use any other currency. The reason being I use US dollars is because most of my customers are not necessarily in the UK. Some customers are outside of the UK, so I prefer to use the US dollar. Price displays override. I'll leave it the way it is now. You know, I'll just leave it. I won't really mess around with this space. Shipping address, leave it the way it is. Billing description. Okay, billing description is what the customer will see on the bank statement. So it's very important that you specify. I'll put my company name or my website name just to say that payment came from this specific source to avoid confusion. The product description, I'll just put basic Google AdWords, yeah. Google AdWords. However, this is just a very basic description. You still have to write your description correctly. I'm not going to spend time on writing descriptions here. Bomb products, we will add a bomb product in a minute, but for now, we're just adding a product. And we save and next. Inventory, we don't need to worry about that. So since we are on this page now, create product variation, we don't need to create product variation. We just click save and next. Enable fulfillment email. Should we send a fulfillment? Yes, 100%. What is a fulfillment email? A fulfillment email is an email that you send to your customer once they buy your product. So I'm going to put here, thank you for your purchase. And in here, I've already written a kind of a draft, right? This is a basic draft. It's not an exact thing of what you should write. However, you should always you can always tailor it to your needs. So I've written it in my specific way. You can tailor it in your way. And this is just an example. Don't take it as a model. So I'll now paste it here. That's the link. This is where my user will go. That's the secret sign up URL. That's where my users will go. And I put many tags. I can put my company name at the bottom. So now here on the thank you page or membership page, I can link it up to another page, right? But I'll just leave it to none at the moment. I won't really stress that much about it. And then I'll save and next. And follow-up actions, trigger follow-up actions. In this specific page, yes, I will trigger up follow-up actions, and I highly recommend Active Campaign. However, if you do have the $297 plan of Clickfunnels, you don't have to have another autoresponder. But out of all the autoresponders I've used in the past, I found Active Campaign to be very useful and very productive. So I highly recommend Active Campaign. However, I'm not going to go drill into details about Active Campaign right now. I do have a separate video where I show you how to automate your business with Active Campaign. So I'll put the link of that video down there in the description below. So, and once I do that, I need to click on Save and Next. Is this a physical product? No, our product is a digital product. I'm not going to activate that. I'll just click on Save and Next. And now our product has been created successfully. So you just now need to double check if every single detail that's written here is correct. So as you can see, all my details are correct. I don't really need to worry. And I need to click on Return to Product List. And as you can see, here is our Google AdWords product. It's a $387 product. And I'm now going to add another product. And this specific product is going to be our bump. So we do the same thing. Save and next. And this product is going to be a one-on-one consultation. And it's going to be $137 US, override price, leave everything the way it is, my company name, product, one-on-one consultation, right? Bump, our switch is on the bump. Max inventory, leave it the way it is. Pre-sold inventory, I'll leave it the way it is. Save and next. So you cannot create product variation. Yes, it's true, it's fine. We don't need to create a product variation. We are already creating a one-time offer. So we now need to go to Save and Next. Fulfillment email, you can do the same. Fulfillment email, right? Okay, so fulfillment email, do the same. Get your message in there and then Save and Next. Thank you, leave it to none and then move on. Is this a physical product? It's not a physical product. I'll just Save and Next. So we've now done our, we've now added our bump, right? As you can see, the bump has been added. There's nothing else. If you want to change any other details, you can always change. So click on Return to Product List now. So as you can see here our products are two products. This is our bump, right? Very important. So let's go back to our sales funnel again. So we are now on our sales photo. Click on update. So we are now here on our sales funnel. I need to click on edit, right? I need to edit this specific. So a lot of things that we've done, like things are adding products and boom, is going to make a lot of sense once we get into this specific step. So now we have our funnels, right? So this is what our funnel look like. The first thing you need to do is we need to preview. And this is how the preview copy look like, right? This is how our funnel is going to be looking like. It's beautiful, it's awesome. But now what we're going to do is we're going to change. So once this is the first step, that's the second step. Okay, let's add the country. Let's add the country. That's the bump, right? That's the bump. That's the Google AdWords course. And if we click here, consultation is 137. But here, as you can see, it doesn't say much really. It's very, the details here is not what are not the details that we want. But I will show you how to add these specific details so you don't really have to think much. So that's the second step. Yeah, so I'll show you how to play around with these. So let's go back here. The first thing we need to do is we need to add our product. So you click here and come here to image, select our product, right? Our product is this. Let's say our product is that, right? So we add this specific image. That's our product. And here we can come and edit this text, right? And write whatever we want to write here. But I'm not going to spend time to write. But you spend time here to write. You tailor it to your need, basically. Okay, now we need to edit our form. Now we need to edit our form. In order to edit our form, we need to click here on the special offer. And it's going to open that page. This specific order form has 2 steps. So we're going to go here step by step. Where it says select item, credit card, expiring, card number. We're not going to touch that amount, right? Now here on this specific area where it says that's the bump headline, right? Yes, I want the Google AdWords thing. So we're going to change the message on the bump, right? I've already got the message of the bump. I've got it here. I'm just going to copy and paste it. So what I'm going to do now is to delete this one. Because the bump is the one-on-one consultation, I'm just going to paste the one-on-one consultation here. And one-time offer just one-time offer just 100. I believe our price was 137 US dollars. Yeah. And this message here, you are a gift, whatever. We're going to delete that message, right? And we come here, you are a gift to the world. I've tailored this message specifically to this bump. So I'll just, so one thing I always recommend is write your message down first before you come down here. So that's the message I have, right? So I've just pasted there, ship my product name, you know, button, 100% secure and save payment. I don't need to change that. The great thing with Clickfunnels is like once you integrate all this payment system and everything else, like Clickfunnels makes it easy for you to work. You don't really need to go through check-ins and stuff, you know. All the systems have been integrated and they're all together. So that's the beauty about Clickfunnels. It's a very safe and secure system. So now edit shipping details. I don't need to add anything there. ship my product name, right? A one-time offer. Yes, I want amount. See, so everything has been done, and now I need to come here, save. I need to save and preview. So as you can see here, everything has been saved. These details, you can always change that. And I'm going to select the country now again to see what's happened. Yes, I want the one-on-one consultation. Remember, the details have changed now. One-time offer, just $137. And this message have also changed, right? So now ship my product, right? So I can put product name, I can change that. I've shown you how to do it. So guys, that's basically how you create a product on Clickfunnels. It's very easy, very simple. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave it in the description down below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe this content. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.